Meet the Galaxy Z Trifold, the shape of what's next in mobile.
Compact as a phone, yet ready to transform.
Unfold it twice and unleash a massive 10-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. Selfies, video calls, or vlogs, both screens give you sharp 10-megapixel front cameras.
Run multiple apps at once. Multitasking reimagined with a screen that feels
Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy and 16 gigabytes RAM. Flagship class performance ready for anything.
with up to 1 terabyte internal storage. All your files, photos, and projects go with you.
Capture perfection with a 200-megapixel main camera, plus ultra-wide and telephoto lenses for every moment. Zoom in far without losing detail. Up to 3x optical, 30x digital zoom with AI enhancement.
A huge 5600 mAh tri-cell battery fills each panel. All-day power plus 45-watt fast charging and wireless charging too.
Advanced armor flex hinge, titanium housing, and reinforced frame, built to fold seamlessly, time after time.
With standalone Samsung DeX and Galaxy AI built in, turn this phone into a full workstation.
Shock-absorbing display layers and a reinforced back panel make it more durable than any foldable before.
Watch movies, browse, chat, all at once thanks to the expansive tablet-sized screen.
Edit photos, sketch ideas, create content. The big screen gives you real creative freedom.
All this power and versatility, yet small enough to slip into your pocket.
Galaxy Z Trifold, rethinking what a phone can be. The future isn't just foldable, it's tri-foldable.